In this video I'm going to talk about the Lithowindow project, the good, the bad and what I have learnt. Okay, so this time I'm going to bring you through what is Lithowindow, the assembly of Lithowindow, a brief history of the design of Lithowindow, and then finally my thoughts on the project. Let's get started. In case you don't know already, Lithowindow is a project I created in order to create a lithophane window, hence the name, type feature for your room, be it office or home. It has the ability to fit in with mostly any surrounding due to it being pretty customizable. The main feature is it can contain some lighting inside its enclosure which will allow you to very quickly create an attractive wall mountable or desktop ornament. I'll put the Thingiverse link in the description below. Please do download, print it and send me pictures of your end products. I would love to see them. Okay, so a quick overview. This is the Lithowindow and this is version 1 of the Lithowindow. As you can see, the box design has changed a lot since the start. This is the first model and it was originally a lot of parts, including 3 parts on the back tub which will require glue to stick them together, and also 4 parts front and back of the supports for the Lithowindow section. This is version 2 of the print and we minimized the parts required to simplify the model and make it easier to assemble. In reality though, it still required a fair amount of messing around to assemble, and although the back was reduced to 2 parts instead of 3, it became very apparent that this could be minimized even more due to the bed space being much larger than I anticipated, and that leads us on to version 3. This version was minimized to just 3 parts. Utilizing the full size of the print area, we are able to print the parts much easier. You can see, however, the few incremental steps that it took to achieve this, and that I think is worth mentioning. Especially for anyone who is looking to do small projects like this themselves, don't lose the history of the design. Okay, so in the end, I think, and this is kind of my conclusion I guess, because I don't think there's going to be any more iterations of this project. The project which I have here is pretty good now. I think it is probably usable in its current form. I think it could probably be used by many people who wanted to use it in certain ways. Maybe in the future I will add a hanging hook at the back, so if you want to put it on the wall you can, and maybe I'll add a pre-drilled or an open hole on the side of it, and yeah, on the side of it actually, yeah, so that you can put a rocker switch in to turn it on and off. But other than that, I'm quite happy with the design. I think you could very easily stick 4 different lithophanes in here with the stated dimensions and sizes and stuff that you need to be able to put them in here, and you can have yourself a pretty cool little box frame, or yeah, like a lit up picture frame on the wall for some cool moments that you've seen, or some cool pictures that you've seen, you know, that kind of stuff. But anyway, that about does it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and anything for on Twitter, that's @Anet A8, and thanks for watching.